Tonight, a young Tri-State boy is hopefully getting some sleep after an exciting day, going to his first Bengals game. It was by invitation of quarterback Andy Dalton, who's taken an interest in the young trailblazer, tackling Duchenne muscular dystrophy like no one ever has before. A lot of 11-year-olds would like to have a ball signed by the Bengals and share stories about time spent with Andy Dalton.
We tossed football and played with each other.
Andy Dalton and his wife and the entire foundation and all the volunteers that work with them have just been remarkable.
For Brody Hammonds, being a mini Andy has fueled inspiration in a fight he's led against Duchenne muscular dystrophy.
When he was 7 years old, he was the first boy in the United States to try a clinical trial drug at Cincinnati Children's called dystrophy in hopes that it would help his body start to produce the protein that it's missing in his muscles so that his muscles would not degenerate. And it worked. He started getting stronger. He was able to run and alternate his feet on steps.
I think it's pretty cool that it can kind of make my disease kind of a little bit better.
When he lost access to the drug, he regressed. When he started getting the weekly shot again a year ago, once again, meaningful progress.
His lung function is better than it's ever been, which ultimately is what causes the fatality. And so that's huge. And in November, we went to Washington, D.C. to testify to the FDA on the great things that we've seen with this drug in hopes that it'll be the first drug approved for Duchenne so that ultimately that we can have some treatments that may lead to a cure.
Mom is putting pressure on the FDA, all about protecting her little QB and his dreams.
Not being able to play video games or to hug somebody or to feed themselves eventually, it's just not okay.
The FDA postponed its decision last month. It could come any time now. The sticking points surround the number of boys who participated in the trial and a question mark on long-term success.